Our C-arm didn't even have working locks. I don't even think it turned on. It was pretty old. Yeah, the GE C-arm, I mean, it feels like it's brand new to us. It's actually an exact model of what many of our current sites use. So they are very familiar with it.
Being able to buy something that's 3 years old, it's still being used with our industry partners. So our students can use this here. They know exactly what to use and how to operate it when they go out to our clinical partners because it's new enough that they haven't upgraded yet at our clinical sites. When we have industry partners that give us X amount of dollars, that's my limit. They were able to identify the exact thing I need in an age window that wasn't outdated old, but yet was affordable based on the grant money that I received.
We were able to get a C-arm, a portable X-ray machine, and a new digital lab, all for under $300,000, which is, I mean, you could spend $300,000 on just one of those things.